In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a second Gmail account to the browser interface. We'll walk through it slowly so you know exactly where to click and what to expect along the way. Start by opening your primary Gmail inbox in your browser. Make sure you're signed in and can see your messages, because everything happens from that page. In the top right corner, you'll see your profile picture or a colored circle with your initial if you haven't set a photo. Click that icon to open the account menu. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Add another account. This is the safest official way to link an additional Gmail without signing out of your current one. Click it, and your browser will open a new window or tab for Google Sign-In. If a new window doesn't appear, check whether a pop-up blocker is active and allow pop-ups for Google temporarily. In the sign-in window, enter the email address of the second account, then the password, and follow any on-screen prompts. If you use two-step verification, keep your phone or security method handy to approve the sign-in. Only enter these details on Google's secure sign-in page and never share them with anyone. Once you finish the sign-in, both accounts are now linked in this browser session. Return to your original Gmail tab. If you don't immediately see the updated account list in the profile menu, refresh the page to load the changes. After the refresh, clicking your profile icon again will show both accounts, confirming everything worked. At this point, you can stay in your current inbox or switch to the second one whenever you like using that same profile menu. Each account keeps its own emails, settings, and signatures, but they can be accessed side by side in the same browser, which makes moving between personal and work mail much faster. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If you clear cookies or use a private browsing window, you may need to repeat the sign-in next time. On shared devices, be mindful of security and close your session when you're done. And if your second account is managed by an organization, you might see extra verification prompts. That's normal. To keep track of which inbox you're using, glance at the profile icon and the address in the upper right before composing or replying. That's all it takes to add a second Gmail account in your browser.